It's the first trading session since the Election Commission announced the dates of general elections 2019. So it's officially here, election season. The Model Code of Conduct has come into force, and guess what? The markets saw a very good rally to trade. So for all the details, let's go across to Ivan Devash. Hi Ivan, a good day for the markets, especially if you're a bull. Having said that, what were the movers and shakers?
Well, yes, indeed. What a splendid day of trade. In fact, no Monday blues at all. We started off the week with much gusto and, in fact, conquered the 11,100 mark to end at the 2019 highs. So you had a firm rally which built up on the last trade. Nothing but green on the screen, a very healthy market breadth. And here's where we shut shop, 11,168. You had the Sensex as well, which saw a very convincing move, a solid 400-point notch up, 37,000 on the Sensex. And mind you, the broader end of the market also impressed. It moved with a lot of gusto. The mid and the small cap indices continued their solid degree of outperformance. A nice 2% rally is what you witnessed. What is supporting is the fact that you have, yes, as you said, more clarity when it comes to election. You have the FII buying, which has gathered steam. We're outperforming the rest of the world as per the data last week. We're betting on, the street really seems to be betting on Modi's return to power. It's dovish commentary from the Fed and the Nifty Junior as well, surpassing the 200 DMA. So lots of factors supporting our markets, and clearly you had a lot of sectors supporting. So be it the energy basket, you had banks which were in firm gear, you had the auto sector which really contributed, PSU banks, metals, commodities, everything was firmly in the green today. It was only IT that was a bit of a spot of bother. So long an extensive list of gainers led by Airtel, talking about an 8% up move in that stock. You had HP, BP seeing traction. Eicher Motors from the word go was a solid performer. You had something like Coal India, Reliance Industries, a big pillar of strength. Bajaj Finserv, something like Adani Ports, SBI, Grasim, Vedanta, all of these large caps really throwing their weight around. On the downside though, NTPC was sluggish, Z Entertainment, in addition to that, IT names. So that's why you saw TCS, HCL Technologies, Tech Mahindra, all of which really dragged their feet. Lots of newsmakers. Godfrey Phillips rallied quite smartly today. They said that the allegations of FDI violations are completely misplaced. So Godfrey Phillips saw a very stellar rally in trade today. Orient Paper, it was an ET Now exclusive that the promoter CK Birla is looking to exit from the paper business. That was another stock in focus. Jet Airways was the cynosure of all eyes. We had exclusive details on the letter penned by Naresh Goel saying that they have asked Etihad for an urgent interim fund infusion to the tune of 750 crores. SBI in focus today as well. They've moved to a floating rate on their savings deposit schemes. We spoke to the management who said that indeed they, this is a move that they've been contemplating, and it's the best solution for improving the monetary transmission. India Cements, we chatted with the management today, and they said that the pickup in roads, infrastructure is all leading to very strong demand, and that is likely to continue to follow through. Lakshmi Vilas Bank, they're going in for capital raising via the QIP route. Dilip Bilkon, an L1 bidder for an NHAI project. So these were some of the key news makers. From the broader end of the market, loads of stocks which were very active. ITD Cement being a case in point, Infibeam up and about, Indocount, Avanti Feeds had a terrific run today, India Cements as well. So all in all, the mood on D Street very jubilant, and that's how we started off this week. We'll have to see whether or not it continues.